Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great trading day, and hope you guys are having a great start to your week. As always, I'm going to be doing a price action review of SPY and the big holders in SPY. If you guys appreciate the content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. It's all greatly appreciated. But without further ado, let's get right on into it. So the big thing that I'm going to be watching here on Tesla, let's move it over to there, is going to be on the daily. So the big thing I was going to watch on Tesla was that 217 level, and so far we're bouncing off of it. We are into power hour, so anything could really happen at this point. But if we hold 217, that would be huge. If we hold 217, then watching move up from there to 225 on the low end. If we break below 217 tomorrow, then watch some downside potential to 210 possibly and 215. Over on Apple, I believe Apple did pretty nicely today. So Apple's breaking out of a potential bull flag. I'm not going to say for sure because it's an awfully extended out bull flag, but nevertheless, it could be a breakout, but it could also be a right shoulder on this head and shoulders pattern. So just something to keep in mind on Apple. So this really could go either way. Now, I would not be shocked if we get some consolidation or a back test of the 175 level tomorrow. Actually more of 176.55. But if we do close above 179, that's going to be a big help for a push upwards to break out of the head and shoulders pattern. But just something that you should keep an eye on for Apple. Next one is going to be Microsoft. So the big level on Microsoft is going to be to see if we can push up to 360. If we can push to 360, hold and break above it, then that's going to give us new all-time highs on Microsoft. Can't speak today. But yeah, so that's going to be a big thing to watch on Microsoft is that 360 level. If we reject it, watch it move to 351. I wouldn't be shocked if you get some consolidation between 360 and 351 before pushing up higher. But overall, I'm bullish on Microsoft. Next one's going to be NVIDIA. So the big thing to watch on NVIDIA is going to be the 468 level right now. If we can close above 468 in the next coming days, then that'll leave room to a push to 500. If we reject 468, then watching move back down to 436 and 405. Well, I think with Microsoft and Apple pushing up, I believe that that NVIDIA will push upwards as well. And the next is going to be SPY. Now, I do have some extra levels drawn up on here. So I was doing my post-market analysis of it, so let's remove it to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. All right. I think I just removed something. All right, so the big thing to watch on SPY is going to be mainly to see if we can hold this level right here at, where's this at? 434.57. So this is a big level, more so 433. So this is going to leave a room to push up to 437. If we can close above 437 tomorrow, then watch for a push up to 437.94 might be a level, but it's hard to tell. I'm using Pearson's pivots for that one, so I'm starting to look into those a little bit, but just something to keep in mind. But look for a move from 437 to 440. If we end up rejecting this area, then watch it move back down to 433. You might be able to find support at these areas too, but I would really watch 433, and then watch the gap fill trades if we end up pushing downward. In terms of McDonald's, let's see what we're getting on there. So McDonald's right now is at 268.55. I have my limit order set for 269.44. To sell off a few shares so I can take some profit on there. The big thing to watch on McDonald's is going to be to see if this rally ends up continuing on it. If it does, then the big level to watch to see if it holds is going to be 267. It's going to be a major level on McDonald's. But that's what I'm going to be watching for tomorrow, traders.